Good morning, happy Friday. So I want to point out that I put a button in the top of the buttons that I shared in strategies, and this is the link to enter Zoom each day. Remember, as long as I am in person, I will be holding Zooms for each class unless specified. And currently they are not required, but by the end of next week they will be. So I'm going to today's folder. And you'll notice that I also placed the link at the top so that you can join as well. If you're joining, then you'll be following along with class, and then you're also able to answer questions. So you're going to want to enter mute as well as no picture, and if you would like, you can have your picture, and I will probably more than likely pin myself so all you can see is me. And when you have a question, you can unmute yourself to ask. And then today we'll start with our starter, one simple question. I think I'm asking you to predict how well you'll do on today's science test. Your planner, when you open it, I will fix that. Your assignment today is to read a short passage, similar to what we've done before. This time there's only 5 short questions. Now remember, you did this before, but you have new iPads, so you probably need to, and we'll do this together again, go to Settings. And mine was in Accessibility, which is separate. So I'll go to Accessibility below General. Some of you might have in General where it's Accessibility, but I am on the iOS 14, so yours should be similar to mine. And then you are looking for, I believe it is spoken content. Again, I'll go back. You're looking for spoken content. And then I have my speak selection on. And then you may want to adjust your speed here. The closer you are to the turtle, the slower it is. The closer you are to the rabbit, the faster it is. If you are in the middle, then you are in a happy medium. Going back to class, you will read this passage. Again, the passage you see that whole entire time, so if you are not sure the answer to a question, you should go back and look through the passage to find your answer. When I go back to our list of assignments, what next is always when you have extra class time, you should be completing any and all missing assignments that you have. Remember, everyone should be doing at least 1 a day, unless you have no missing, which there are very few of us, or even 2 a day, depending on how many you have. Remember, our marking period ends on October 30th. Today being the 16th, we have 10 more school days. And for the last thing today, you'll be completing your checklist. And it is simply a regular, looks like I have to change a question. Your starter, your video, your planner, your reading comprehension. Did you work on missing assignments? And then last, I want to mention, not currently this way, but each of these will be a check for either submission or a check for viewing. All right, I'll see you soon.